For the first time ever, we are introducing dual rotary ovens. You must watch the entire of this video to understand, because these are not your ordinary rotary ovens. So we have two types of dual rotary ovens. There is dual diesel and there is dual gas. So what do we, before we go into the types, what do we mean by dual rotary ovens? These are ovens that can be powered by more than 3 energy sources. Remember, before, the rotary ovens were powered by only 2 energy sources. So let's go to the dual diesel ovens. What do we mean by this? A dual diesel oven has the following fuel options. It has, the first option is diesel hybrid. What do we mean by that? Diesel hybrid means 95% diesel, 5% electricity. This 5% electricity would be used for rotational control panel and for rotational purposes and control panel operation, like this, power the operation panel. And this 5% is about 2.6 kilowatt, depending on the size of the oven, 2.6 to 3.2. And why is it a special dual diesel oven? Because number one, we can use diesel and electricity 5%. But number two, we can flip the switch. There is a switch we can flip, as you see in this video, and we can move to 100% electricity. That is where the magic happens. Because I can say, I don't want to use diesel today, let me use electricity, and you flip the button and you switch your consumption 100% electricity. That means, therefore, number three, the third fuel source for the dual diesel rotary oven, if we can move to electricity automatically, I can say one day I want to install commercial solar about 70 kilowatt and above, and I'll power my bakery 100% electricity. So this is the meaning of the dual diesel rotary ovens. So let's go to dual gas. So before we go to dual gas, you have seen that the dual diesel rotary ovens can be powered by 3 energy sources. Now, for the dual gas rotary ovens, they can be powered by 4 energy sources. Let's start. The first one obviously is LPG plus 5% electricity. So this is the normal way we are used to most of the rotary ovens. But remember, if you can use LPG, we have made the oven such that you can also use biogas. So if you are in the Kenya rural areas whereby you have cows, you have animals, you can leverage that into biogas and use it to bake. You only need about 2.6 kilowatt, which is a very negligible power requirement. Number 3, the same oven, you can flip a switch and go to 100% electricity. So that is where the magic happens. That's why we call them dual rotary ovens, in this case dual gas. And if you can move to electricity, that means number 4, you can directly move to solar. Because if I have an electric machine, I can decide to install solar in my premises and therefore power everything by solar. Before we wind up, let's see, it is just a normal oven. You can see normal rotation. These ovens come in 3 sizes. We have 16 tray, 32 tray like the one behind me, and 64 tray, which is a double trolley oven. So this is a new era whereby you have energy crisis in Africa and in all over the world. You need such a tool, such a versatility tool or versatile tool, that you can switch your energy sources anytime you want it. And you can actually move to green energy in the future when you have enough investment in bakery. So click the link below to order your dual diesel or dual gas rotary oven now.